Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a self-guided history tour of Copenhagen using Viator and Voice Map. We're starting right here at King's New Square, one of the city's most iconic spots. Let's dive into the history and beauty of this amazing city. This is where the tour begins. King's New Square has been a central hub since the 17th century. Before we start walking, Voice Map gives a quick intro on how the app works, super easy and perfect for exploring at your own pace. Moving on, we see the Royal Danish Theatre, a cultural landmark since the 18th century. Imagine the history of performances that have graced this stage. It's like stepping back in time. Originally an old telephone booth, it housed 2 telephones and dates back to 1913. Now a great place for a quick bite. Of course, no Copenhagen tour is complete without Nyhavn, the picturesque harbor lined with colorful 17th century buildings. This area was once a busy commercial port, and now it's the perfect spot for a coffee or a photo op. The Inner Harbor Bridge, this modern pedestrian and cycle bridge, connects Nyhavn with Christianshavn, making it easy to explore both sides of the harbor like a local. Across the water, you'll see the Copenhagen Opera House, one of the most expensive opera houses ever built. Its bold, modern architecture contrasts beautifully with the historic city skyline. Next, we stroll through Amalienborg, a beautiful garden right by the water. It's a peaceful escape with fountains and flowers offering a great view of the harbor. And finally, we reach Amalienborg Palace, home to the Danish royal family. The square is surrounded by 4 identical palaces, and if you're lucky, you might catch the changing of the guards. Then a little further brings you to the Marble Church, also known as Frederick's Church. Its massive green dome is one of Copenhagen's most recognizable landmarks, and the architecture is absolutely breathtaking. Before heading towards the waterfront, we make a stop at Rosenborg Castle, a stunning Renaissance palace built by King Christian IV in the early 1600s. It's home to Denmark's crown jewels and royal regalia, and the gardens here are perfect for a peaceful stroll. The gardens are complimentary, but if you want to go inside to see the crown jewels, there is a charge. Continuing the walk, we reach St. Albans Church, an English Anglican church built in the late 19th century. Its Gothic architecture and serene setting make it a striking contrast to the surrounding cityscape. Right next to St. Albans is the Nyhavn Fountain, one of Copenhagen's most famous landmarks. It depicts the Norse goddess Nyhavn and her oxen, and it is a stunning piece of art with a fascinating legend behind it. A must-see when visiting the city is the Little Mermaid statue, and from here you can walk along the path with amazing views. The Little Mermaid is Copenhagen's most iconic statue, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. It's smaller than most expect, but it is definitely a must-see when seeing the city. Just a short walk from here, you'll find the Angel of Peace statue, a beautiful bronze figure symbolizing harmony and hope. Next, we pass by Copenhagen City Hall, an impressive building completed in 1905. It's home to the world's largest astronomical clock and is a hub for civic life. The architecture blends national romantic style with Italian Renaissance influence. Christiansborg Palace. It's a symbol of Danish democracy and history, and the palace itself is stunning with its mix of Baroque and neoclassical architecture. Before ending the tour, we explore Christianshavn. It's often called Copenhagen's Little Amsterdam and is perfect for a leisurely stroll or coffee by the water. To wrap up the day, I hopped on a Copenhagen Canal cruise. It's the perfect way to see the city from a different perspective, passing under historic bridges, gliding by colorful waterfronts, and soaking in the charm of Copenhagen from the water. A relaxing end to an amazing tour. If you have extra time, make sure to visit Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks. Unfortunately, it was closed during my visit as they were preparing for Halloween, but it's a magical place when open, perfect for rides, gardens, and evening lights. Getting around Copenhagen is super easy. You can take the train, hop on the metro, or do what the locals do, ride a bicycle. It's one of the most bike-friendly cities in the world. This self-guided tour plus the canal cruise was the ultimate way to experience Copenhagen's history and beauty. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. If you're planning a trip, definitely check out Viator and VoiceMap for experiences like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.